In this video, I'm going to show you how to align a garage door safety eyes on your LiftMaster garage opener. And the garage door opens, but it will not close with your remote or the wall button control. You're going to get a light flash on your garage door motor that the garage door will not close due to a safety eye obstruction that will occur on your garage door motor. Now go to your wall control and press and hold the button in until the garage door fully closes. And you're going to see the motor circuit board LED flash 4 times, indicating you have a safety eye obstruction. Now go to your safety sensor, and you guys can see the sensor LED is flickering. We need to adjust that. And loosen the wing nut. Align the safety eye until the green light stays solid, then tighten the wing nut. And do the same thing to the other sending unit. If your receiver unit is still flickering, that could be the sender unit side that needs some adjustments. And now all the safety eyes are aligned. Now we got a solid green line on the sensor. Now let's go test the garage door opener. Let's see if this garage door closes. And that's how you fix a safety sensor obstruction on your LiftMaster garage door opener. If this video was helpful, if it did, hit that like button. I'll really appreciate it. Make sure you click subscribe to my repair channel. And have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.